The seagull just successfully drowned and now he's killing the pigeon very maliciously.
Oh my god.
Oh my
no,
god.
no, no,
Somebody scare that seagull away! Oh my god. This is absolute. Oh, that little boy's gonna rescue him. Take it into your own hands, young man.
Look at him. I wanna see.
Run, little boy.
I got a photo of his reaction.
I want a photo of him. Oh my god, this is the one. Spanish seagulls are vicious. Look at. Oh, that little girl's crying. As she should be, because this is a terrible sight for children to see.
No. Oh my god. I don't like this at all.
Oh my god, he's ripping open his stomach.
I don't like it at all.
Oh my god.
Everyone is watching. We're just making it so much worse. Everyone's just like, oh.
Really interrupting her.
He's eating it.
Okay, this needs to stop. I can't.